टुडे इज द लास्ट क्लास फॉर स्केलर्स एंड वेक्टर्स, क्योंकि 99.99% सेक्शन वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड. Few things are remaining which we will cover today. Okay, that's clear. अच्छा ध्यान देना, हमारे कुछ टॉपिक्स हैं जिनका अपने को डिस्कशन भी करना है. Few questions are remaining in our DBPs, तो उनका डिस्कशन करके आप लोग उसको फिनिश कर देंगे. Yes, I think you guys are also audible to me because I was able to hear the sound of Anisha. Anisha was audible to me, so I think you guys are also audible to me. Okay guys, so see here, let's start the class and okay, write down projection of a vector. See here, there are few things, थोड़ी सी theory है जो अभी remaining है. Yes, Utkarsh, are you trying to say something? Utkarsh, okay, that's fine. Write down next heading, that is the last section, projection. Write down next heading, projection of vector A on B. Projection of vector A on B. Write down sir. Write down next heading, projection of vector A on B. Clear guys? Okay, so see here, projection का देखो मतलब क्या होता है. For example, if we talk about a tree, तो जैसे जैसे सन की पोजीशन तुम्हारी चेंज होती है, तुमने देखा होगा जो ट्री का शैडो होता है वो चेंज होता जाता है. ठीक है, अगर आप कहीं भी बाहर जाएं, इनफैक्ट इफ यू आर मूविंग आउटसाइड और आप खुद की शैडो देखें, तो इन मॉर्निंग द शेप ऑफ योर शैडो विल बी डिफरेंट. आफ्टरनून की बात करो तो तुम्हारी शैडो का शेप डिफरेंट हो जाता है. इवनिंग की बात करो तो तुम्हारे शैडो का जो शेप है और साइज है वो डिफरेंट हो जाती है. गाइस, डू यू रिमेंबर दिस फिनोमेना, शैडो फिनोमेना? ओके, सो इट्स बहुत ही इजी है. देखो, तो वो जो शैडो है उसी को तुम एक तरीके का प्रोजेक्शन समझो. क्लियर? जस्ट लाइक यू आर मूविंग आउटसाइड और धूप है, तो धूप के कारण जो आपके शैडो का फॉर्मेशन है वही आपका प्रोजेक्शन है. तो शैडो की लेंथ तुम किसके ऊपर मेजर कर रहे हो? तुम शैडो की लेंथ मेजर कर रहे हो ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. क्लियर? रिमेंबर कैसे हम शैडो की लेंथ मेजर करते हैं? शैडो की लेंथ हम मेजर करते हैं ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. तो जो फिनोमेना तुम्हारा शैडो का है, ठीक है, वही पर्टिकुलर फिनोमेना तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्शन का है. देखो, इसका मतलब समझते हैं कि प्रोजेक्शन का बेसिक मतलब क्या है. राइट ऑन दिस साइड, सपोज करो वी हैव अ वेक्टर ए, ठीक है, एंड दिस इज आवर वेक्टर बी एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर एंगल इज थीटा. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव assumed two vectors. First vector is A, second vector is B, and the angle between the vectors is given as theta. Clear guys? अब देखो प्रोजेक्शन का मतलब क्या हुआ. If I say like this, projection of vector A on B, what does it mean? It simply means the length of vector A along vector B. Try to understand. Let me repeat once again. Projection of vector A along vector B, what does it implicate? It simply means the length of the vector A along vector B. A का प्रोजेक्शन B के ऊपर, what does, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? वेक्टर A की लेंथ वेक्टर B के along. Clear guys? So see here, ये भी अपने लिए कुछ नया पढ़ना नहीं है. यार देखो, अगर मैं A का कंपोनेंट करूं, see here, B is along the x-axis and the angle is theta. So if I do the component of vector A, अगर मैं वेक्टर A के कंपोनेंट करता हूं, तो इसके दो कंपोनेंट आएंगे. एक x डायरेक्शन में जाएगा और दूसरा किस में जाएगा? y डायरेक्शन में. क्लियर गाइस? सो लेट्स डू द कंपोनेंट्स. यहां पे देखो, अगर वेक्टर के a के मैं कंपोनेंट करता हूं तो व्हाट विल बी x कंपोनेंट? इफ वी डू द कंपोनेंट्स, व्हाट विल बी द x कंपोनेंट? a cos थीटा यार, सिंपली. ठीक है, and just a minute, I am explaining this. अगर हम इसके कंपोनेंट करते हैं तो व्हाट विल बी x कंपोनेंट? दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू a cos थीटा. सी, देखो प्रोजेक्शन का मतलब क्या होता है? प्रोजेक्शन इज सिमिलर टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ शैडो. जब आप आउटसाइड वॉक करते हैं और सन आपके ऊपर होता है, तो सन के कारण तुम्हारी शैडो का फॉर्मेशन होता है. क्लियर गाइस? ओके, ठीक है, वही जो शैडो का फॉर्मेशन है दैट इज नोन एज प्रोजेक्शन. किस चीज का प्रोजेक्शन? आपकी हाइट का प्रोजेक्शन. कहां पे हो रहा है प्रोजेक्शन? ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ. अगर मैं वेक्टर के टर्म से बात करता हूं तो सी हियर वी हैव टू वेक्टर्स A as well as B and the angle between the vectors is given given as theta. Clear guys? Angle between the vectors is given as theta. Now see, if I take the component of vector A along vector B, if this particular angle is theta, what will be the x component? A cos theta. अब यहाँ पे देखो A cos theta किसके along है? B के along. Try to understand. तो वेक्टर A का प्रोजेक्शन B के along, what does it mean? It simply means length of vector A along vector B. So now everyone try to understand projection. Now this is the tagline. ठीक है, इसको ध्यान से समझना. Projection of vector A on vector B. What does it mean? Simply length of vector A along vector B. Projection of vector A along vector B is simply length of vector A along vector B. And what is the length of vector A along B? That is equals to A cos theta. So what is the projection of vector A along vector B? You will simply say projection of vector A along vector B is given as A cos theta. Okay guys, now tell me if anyone has any doubt. What is our tagline? Basic point अपने को क्या समझना है? Basic point ये है कि वेक्टर A का प्रोजेक्शन अगर वेक्टर B के लॉन्ग देखते हो तो that will be equals to A cos theta. Now tell me if anyone is able to yes. Utkarsh, I will do the repetition. Just wait for a second. Okay, Alan understood. Okay. Disha, it's clear. Okay, just tell me guys, it's final call. If there is any student who is not able to understand what is the meaning of projection. Okay guys, so I hope it's clear to everybody. Yes, Shishik. Okay, Shishik, did you solve question number 1 to 20? Okay, then I'll just try to solve them today and let me know if you have any difficulty. Pooja, I'm going to repeat this, don't worry. Okay, see you guys, let me repeat it once again. What is projection? यार देखो projection के नाम पे अपने तुमको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. Point number 1. Projection बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है यार. Projection is just like forming of shadow. See, if you are moving outside, तो तुम्हारी shadow का formation होता है. अब तुम्हारी shadow का formation कहाँ पे होता है भाई? Shadow का formation होता है अर्थ की surface पे. ये हवा में तो shadow नहीं form होती ना. Shadow कहाँ पे form होती है भाई? अर्थ की surface पे. बेटा हवा में शैडो फॉर्म होते हुए देखा है? ओके, एनीबॉडी हैव यू एवर सीन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ शैडो इन एयर? शैडो फॉर्मेशन, अरे नहीं सृष्टि, अगर एयर में शैडो फॉर्म हो गया तो उसको शैडो नहीं बोलते, फिर वो मतलब आई थिंक वो उसमें चला जाता है. अच्छा, यू सेड नो. ओके, आई थॉट यू सेड यस. क्योंकि अगर हवा में शैडो बन रही है तो बेटा भाग लो, वहां से भूतनी है आई नहीं है तुम्हारे पास. ठीक है, अगर हवा में शैडो आपकी तरफ आ रही है तो बेटा भगो वहां से फटाफट. एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. देन यू कॉल इट घोस्ट. ठीक है, चुड़ैल, डायन, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, इज देयर एनीवन हु हैज सीन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ शैडो इन एयर? ओके, आई होप कि आप लोगों को ये सौभाग्य ना मिले तो ही अच्छा है. ये देख लो, शिवम इज आस्किंग अबाउट सर इज देयर इज अ 3D शेप देन. भाई मेरे को तो कभी भूतनी से मुलाकात करने का सौभाग्य मिला नहीं भाई, तो आई डोंट नो वेदर शी इज इन 3D और 2D राइट. जस्ट अ मिनट, हु इज 3D एंड 2D वाला किधर गया भाई? ओके, यस. Yes, Shivam, what are you trying to say? Yeah, I have never seen a Bhutni, right? So I don't know whether she is in 3D or 2D. But if she is in the form of human body, she must be in 3D. Anything can happen. Science is progressing very fast. चलो ठीक है. Sure, सर मुझे भूतनी से मिलना है. बेटा तेरे लक्षण सही ना लगे मुझे. मार दो. Okay, see, let's come back to the topic. Shivam sir asking about projection of vectors in 3D plane. Okay, see here, अगर हम 2D की बात करते हैं, okay, I think okay, just joke aside, भार्गव, let me answer you. See here, भार्गव बेटा देखो, अगर हम 2D की बात करते हैं, जैसे if you are moving outside और सन आपके ऊपर है, तो जो शैडो का फॉर्मेशन होगा वो एक प्लेन के ऊपर होगा. अर्थ की सरफेस we can consider it a plane. तो जो भी वहां पे शैडो का फॉर्मेशन है वो कहां पे हो रहा है? वो प्लेन पे हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो प्लेन पे अगर शेडो का फॉर्मेशन होगा तो वो 2D होगा। इन द सेम वे यहाँ पे जो हम प्रोजेक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 2D, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट 3D। यहाँ पे जो हम बात कर रहे हैं वो 2D की बात कर रहे हैं। आई होप दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू यू भार्गव, जस्ट लेट मी नो। ओके दैट्स गुड। हाँ ठीक है। शैडो फॉर्मेशन से हियर द वर्ड शैडो, ठीक है बस इतना। ओके राइट नाउ गाइस, okay so you know Bhargav, actually you were telling something there about 2D and 3D. What were you asking, 2D or 3D? I can see you comment. Okay, just a minute, it's 2D formation or 3D formation? I did not get your question, like what are you asking, like 2D or 3D? Just let me know. Okay, dimensions. Okay guys, so let's do one thing. If it's Shivam, I think. Okay, Bhargav, you were ठीक है, चलो यार कोई बात नहीं, let's move forward. Okay, that's nice thing. Let's move forward. Okay, I think it was Shivam. तो Shivam can ask me later. देखो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे ये हुआ, पहली चीज तो अपने को समझ में आई कि प्रोजेक्शन सिंपली मीन्स शैडो, ठीक है। और शैडो का मतलब क्या होता है, द लेंथ, सिंपली इफ आई से इट लाइक दिस, प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर ए अलोंग वेक्टर बी, हियर प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ ए अलोंग बी। तो दिस पर्टिकुलर एंगल इज थीटा। व्हाट इज दिस कंपोनेंट, दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपोनेंट इज a cos थीटा। तो a का प्रोजेक्शन b के अलोंग कितना हो गया, a cos थीटा। सो व्हाट वी विल से, प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर a अलोंग वेक्टर b, you will simply say projection of vector A along vector B. Okay, see here, that is equals to A cos theta. Okay, I hope it's simple, yes. लेकिन एक चीज ध्यान रखना, ओके थोड़ा सा कट हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन एक चीज ध्यान रखना, what is A cos theta? We already know from dot product that A dot B equals to mod A mod B into cos theta. See here. Yeah, we can also write it down like this. We can also write it down like this. A dot B equals to, this will be equals to AB cos. Okay. So see here, what is the statement? The statement is like this. A dot B equals to AB cos theta. तो यहाँ से देखो जो A cos theta की वैल्यू हो जाएगी, A cos theta, this will be equals to A dot B whole divided by mod of B. Try to understand. Okay. देखो दो तरीके आ गए। First thing what we, okay guys, okay no problem. See here guys, what we are talking about now. Let's apart from jokes, let's come back to the point. हमने बात की प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर A along वेक्टर B. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, इसका सिंपली मीनिंग ये हुआ, लेंथ ऑफ वेक्टर A along वेक्टर B. तो हमने क्या किया, वी हैव डन द कंपोनेंट ऑफ वेक्टर A और B के अलावा जो कंपोनेंट आता है दैट कम्स आउट टू बी A cos थीटा। क्लियर गाइस? देन A cos थीटा की वैल्यू किसके बराबर आ गई, A डॉट B डिवाइडेड बाय mod B। सो सपोज क्वेश्चन इज लाइक दिस, कैलकुलेट द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर A along वेक्टर B। क्लियर गाइस? तो कैसे प्रोजेक्शन निकाल सकते हो, आइदर यू आर सपोज्ड टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ A cos थीटा। क्लियर गाइस? और अगर तुम्हें थीटा नहीं पता है, if you don't know about theta, then you can calculate the same value by how, A dot B divided by mod B. Okay, so if you know theta, you can proceed like this, but if you don't know theta, you can proceed like A dot B divided by mod B. Okay, and this is our final formula, projection of vector A along vector B, that comes out to be A cos theta, which is equals to A dot B divided by mod B. Okay guys, final call. This was all about the theoretical portion. Just let me know if anyone has any doubt. Clear? Yes. Okay, then formula will be changed. See here, अगर B का A के लॉन्ग हमें देखना है, पहले तो यहाँ पे कॉपी कर लेना. And suppose this is our vector B and this is our vector A. So what is the projection of B along A? If you do the components, you will have projection of B along A as B cos theta. Yes, Aman. Okay. Okay, just like this, if you are asking about the same diagram, then see here. फिर देखो यार कुल मिला के आगे अपने को कंपोनेंट्स ही करने हैं. See here, this is our vector A and you must know how to do the components, that's all. And this is our vector B. I hope it's visible. ठीक है? Yes, it's visible. So see here. Okay, that's good. देखो, see when you are doing the component and Aman, look at the board. तो यार एक कंपोनेंट अपना क्या होगा? फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट विल बी अलोंग द डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर A. लेकिन अपने को ध्यान क्या रखना है? अपने को ध्यान ये रखना है कि जो भी दोनों कंपोनेंट्स आते हैं उनके बीच का एंगल कितना होना चाहिए? 90 डिग्री. एज यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन कंपोनेंट ऑफ वेक्टर्स कि वेक्टर तुम्हारा फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ किसी भी क्वाड्रेंट में प्रेजेंट रह सकता है, लेकिन जो उसका कंपोनेंट आता है उनके बीच का एंगल बनता है ऑलवेज 90 डिग्री. ठीक है? सी हियर, if this angle is particular angle is theta and this vector is A, so what is this component? Theta के पास वाला क्या? B cos theta and this one will be B sin theta. Okay, see a rule. Okay, that's good. Okay, Aman, I hope it's clear to you. Okay, yes. Sushri, are you trying to say something? Absolutely, absolutely right. Yes, Aman, are you trying to say something? Arya, yes, Arya, just let me know. Which formula? Okay, just a minute. I will repeat it, no problem at all. See here, I think I was talking to Arya, right? Okay, I will see here. This formula comes from dot product. Like, what is the value of dot product? A dot B equals to mod A mod B into cos theta. ठीक है, ये अपना फॉर्मूला हो गया. एंड या इसी को हम लिख सकते हैं यहाँ से देखो, mod A into cos theta. A into cos theta. It comes out to be A dot B और B को हमने इधर डिवाइड कर दिया. It comes out to be A dot B divided by mod B. So that particular formula A dot B by mod B, it comes from dot product. Okay, since here it's quite clear. See how we got this formula. देखो क्या बताया था मैंने कि थीटा जैसा एक्सिस के पास होगा, that particular component will be turned into cos theta. You remember this? Siddhi, just let me know. थीटा जिसके पास होगा, that will be turned into cos theta. Okay, I hope that you are there. Yes. Okay. So see here, if theta, in this case, theta is close to which axis? Theta is close to vector A. Clear, Siddhi? जो भी ये theta है, it's close to vector A. That's why पास वाला किसमें गया? B के component करने हैं, तो B का एक component A की direction में आ गया, B cos theta. And what is the angle between the x component and y component? 90 degree. तो यहाँ पे देखो एक component अगर इधर गया, तो दूसरा component इससे 90 degree पे it will move like this. Okay, Siddhi, just let me know whether you are able to understand this or not. Okay, yes. Okay, guys, one by one. First, Srishti, tell me. Okay, no, we can't take it like minus x or minus y. Srishti, see here. क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये जो कंपोनेंट है वो क्वाड्रेंट्स के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं है. Try to understand. See, अगर हमें x और y कंपोनेंट लेने हैं, this is x, this is minus x, this is plus y, this is minus y. So we can't say basically this particular vector is along plus x or minus x. ये नहीं कह सकते. We are certain about only one thing, that whatever is the angle between the component, that should be 90 degree. देखो दो रूल पर्टिकुलर याद रखना. रूल नंबर 1, जो भी कंपोनेंट्स आएंगे वेक्टर के, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट दे विल बी डायरेक्टेड अलोंग एक्स वाई कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम. क्लियर? इट्स पॉसिबल कि कंपोनेंट्स ना तो x डायरेक्शन में हो और ना ही y डायरेक्शन में हो। पॉइंट नंबर 1। बेसिक रूल क्या है? रूल नंबर 1, जो एंगल होगा कंपोनेंट्स के बीच का दैट मस्ट बी इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री। क्लियर? और जो भी वेक्टर के कंपोनेंट करोगे वेक्टर उनके बीच में लाइन करना चाहिए। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड गाइस, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, सी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से। याद तो ध्यान दो, जब भी तुम कंपोनेंट करोगे तो बेसिक कंडीशन उसकी क्या है? ओके, सी हियर, देखो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई ड्रॉ अ वेक्टर लाइक दिस, सपोज दिस इज माय वेक्टर A and I am doing components like this. Suppose this angle is theta, so what will be this component? A cos theta. So second component, देखो ये एक component मैंने कर दिया A cos theta. What about the second component? Second component जब तुम draw करोगे तो दोनों component के बीच का angle कितना होना चाहिए? 90 डिग्री. Suppose if I draw the second component like this, if I draw like this is A sin theta. Is it right or wrong? Okay, yes. Wrong. Why it is wrong? Because the angle is 90. See here, this is A cos theta, this is A sin theta, and the angle between them is 90. Okay, see here, I can see Siddhi is telling me wrong, Bhargav is also telling me wrong, but why it's wrong? The angle between the components is 90 degree. Yes, that's right. Ashish is telling me the right answer. It doesn't lie between the component. Yes, Bhargav, I think Bhargav is going to be right answer. Very good. Ashish is also telling me right answer. The basic thing is कि बेटा ये जो दोनों कंपोनेंट है इनके बीच में अपना वेक्टर लाई करना चाहिए. So that's why this particular component is wrong. The component should be like this. Now see here, the angle is 90. And as well as vector A is lying between the two vectors. Okay, vector A or original vector is lying between the two components. Clear guys? Yes, sure that. Okay. B cos theta. Just a minute, Aryan, what are you trying to say actually? Okay. Same way. No, not the exact same formula, but the way you would be saying. As you know, A dot B equals to mod A mod B into cos theta. So from here, see here, what will be the value of B cos theta? B cos theta, this will be equals to A dot B divided by mod of. Okay. See here, whether you want to find out the angle value of A cos theta or B cos theta, what is common thing? You can derive the formula from dot product. Okay guys, yes, Aman. Which component? Okay, we are talking about B cos theta. Direction of what? This is the direction of component. See here, ये देखो ये अपना original vector है. This is our original vector A. Okay? And this particular angle it's given as theta. तो theta इस axis के पास है, तो that's why it has gone into A cos theta, this direction. और दूसरा वाला जो component होगा वो इस component से 90 डिग्री पे होगा. 90 डिग्री पे कौन सा component है अपना? That is A sin theta. Okay. Okay, see here. ये तो सिंपल है ना, यहाँ पे देखो. Okay. ये angle theta है. What is direction of this vector at an angle theta with the x-axis? Suppose if it is given this is the x-axis. तो x-axis से ये component कितने angle पे है? Theta. This total angle is 90. तो ये angle कितना हो गया? This is 90 minus theta. What is the direction of A sin theta? That is 90 minus theta. So it depends upon angle actually. Once angle is provided, then all these things will be clear. Okay, see here guys, anyone else? We are talking about projection of vector. If you have any doubt, just let me know. Yes, Susti. It's not necessary that you will do the components along the Cartesian coordinate system. It's not necessary actually, Susti. You can do the components in any direction. We have only two conditions. What is condition number one? That original vector must lie between the components, and the angle between the components should be 90 degree. That's all. Okay. देखो क्या होता है कि शुरू में तुम लोग को कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम के हिसाब से समझाना पड़ता है, सो दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर कि यार एक कंपोनेंट x में जाएगा, दूसरा y में जाएगा. क्लियर? एंड द एंगल बिटवीन देम इज 90 डिग्री. अगर मैं डायरेक्ट इस तरीके से बताना शुरू करूंगा तो इट विल क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. Okay guys, अब मैंने yes, yes, from this diagram you can say no. A sin theta, suppose this is our plus x axis, so A sin theta is a component who is directed at an angle 90 minus theta in this direction. Clear? देखो इसको yes. In numericals it will be much more easier. देखो थ्योरी में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होती है क्योंकि थ्योरी में आप समझ नहीं पाते हो. Clear? जब आप न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते हैं then you get 100% confident. Clear? Like how? See here, we are coming back to the numericals. जब numerical, once we are solving the numericals, it will become quite easy. Don't worry about it. Okay, so everybody just see sheet number 3. We are talking about sheet number 3. See here guys, we are talking about sheet number 3 and question number 22. Okay, everybody just see here guys, किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about sheet number 3 and question number 22. What is the question? The question is like this: if vector A equals to this and vector B equals to this, then projection of vector A on vector B. I hope guys you can solve it. Just try to solve this and let me know the solution. Okay? Let me know which option is right. Everybody. Okay, everybody try to solve question number 22 and let me know which option is right. I'm just looking at the chat box. Let's see who are able to solve this question. Okay, Mushfiq is trying to say something. Just a minute. No doubt. Okay, Anand, that's good. Guys, see here, question number 22 is based upon projection of vector. Try to solve this and let me know what is your answer. Okay, very good. Mushfiq is telling me 3 by root 26. So basically, Mushfiq, you are talking about B part, right? देखिए भाई, Mushfiq has solved it and he is telling me B part is the right answer. Nikita is also telling me second part. Karuna, okay, very good Karuna. Ansh, Karuna, everybody. See here till now we are able to see 4 to 5 student solution and everybody is saying it's like second part. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, so see here, everybody is talking about second part is the right option. ध्यान से देखो सभी लोग. Till now, I think second part is the right answer. I will appreciate if everybody is able to solve this. All the students just try to solve this and let me know if you have any problem. Okay, Siddhi also solved this B part, Vrindita B part, Prajakta second part, Aishwarya second part. That's nice guys, just let me know. Okay, so second part, we can consider second part is the right option and the value of the second part is 3 by root 26. Okay guys, that's good. Let me know if anyone has any doubt in question number 22. Guys, let me know if anyone has any doubt in question number 22. Okay, so I hope it's clear to everyone. As I can see 56 users are there. So just let me know if you have any doubt. I hope question number 22 is clear to everybody. No doubt. Okay. So see here, it was quite easy. A was given as 2I cap plus 3j cap minus k cap, and B was given as minus I cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. ठीक है जी. Then projection of vector A on vector B. Okay. See here. So guys, let's final call. Is there anyone who still has any doubt in question number 22? Is there any student who has any doubt in question number 22? Just let me know. What happened? No, question number 22 is clear to you or not? Clear, na? Then it's okay. I'm just asking like if there is anyone who still has any doubt in this question. That is question number 22. Okay. Okay guys, so let's talk about question number 23. See here. If we talk about question number 23, see here. Okay. Okay, Tanmay, what is going on? See here guys, if we talk about question number 23, what is question number 23? Okay, Tanmay, can you mute your microphone? Okay. What was that? I don't know. Okay, question number 23. Let's talk about question number 23. I hope I'm audible to everyone, right guys? Okay, चलो ठीक है. देखो question number 23 क्या है basically? In above example, a unit vector perpendicular to the both the vectors A and B. देखो ध्यान देना. हमें एक ऐसा वेक्टर चाहिए जो A और B दोनों से 90 डिग्री पे हो. In question number 22. In question number 22 we have the vector A as well as vector B और हमें एक ऐसा वेक्टर चाहिए जो A और B दोनों से 90 डिग्री पे हो. How to solve this question? Okay guys, just let me know how to solve question number 23. Anyone has any idea? No. Projection of it. Yes, Mushfiq. Okay, yes, Mushfiq, that is absolutely right. You are absolutely right. हमेशा ध्यान देना. See here guys, whenever you take the cross product, the outcome of the cross product is perpendicular to the individual vectors. Try to understand. Suppose, see here, what I am talking about. Suppose this is my vector A, this is my vector A, and this is my vector B. Okay. So we have two vectors such that the angle between the vectors is theta. Clear? The vector A as well as vector B. ये दोनों vector मेरे किस plane में है? These two vectors are present in xy plane. Try to understand guys. We have two vectors, vector A as well as vector B, and these vectors are present in which plane? Xy plane. So if you calculate the A cross B value, suppose if you calculate A cross B, what will be the direction of A cross B? Try to understand. देखो याद करो लास्ट क्लास में मैंने बताया था A cross B will be something like this. I told you curl your fingers from A towards B. Clear? How to find out the direction of A cross B? मैंने आपको बताया था कि अपने फिंगर्स को हमें कर्ल करना है किससे किसकी तरफ? A से B की तरफ. Yes, right. Okay, Ashish is telling me K क्या है? Yes, Ashish, you are absolutely right. तो अगर हम A से B की तरफ अपनी फिंगर्स को कर्ल कर रहे हैं, तो ये जो वेक्टर जाएगा, this vector will be directed towards Z. And this particular vector, see here, the angle between A cross B and vector A, what is this angle 90? The angle between A cross B and vector B, what is this angle 90? So in general, what we can say, if you take the cross product of two vectors, the resultant vector which is A cross B is generally perpendicular to both of the vectors. Clear guys? So let's come back to the problem once again. Okay, very good. Yes, everybody understand this. If you take the cross product between two vectors, the resultant vector will be perpendicular to individual vectors. So see here, in above example, a unit vector perpendicular to both vectors A and B. तो यार अपने को क्या करना है? A और B दोनों से 90 डिग्री चाहिए. That simply means we are supposed to calculate A cross B. Clear? But that vector should be unit vector. तो अगर अपने को यूनिट वेक्टर बनाना है तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड। क्लियर गाइस, a क्रॉस b हमें कैलकुलेट करना है एंड देन वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय इट्स मैग्नीट्यूड। जस्ट डू दिस। ओके गाइस, जस्ट डू दिस एंड लेट मी नो what are your options. Everybody just try to solve that and let me know what are your options. Okay. Okay, Srishti is trying to say something. I think the Srishti got the answer. Okay, just hang on for a second. Okay, Shivam is telling me 23A part. Okay, Shivam is telling me he got A part as the right answer. That is I cap minus J cap minus K cap by root 3. What we have to solve? Okay, Srishti, just hang on for a second. Let me repeat. चलो भाई तुम लोग ये रिपीटेशन कर रहा हूँ मैं, ध्यान से देखो क्या बताया मैंने. Okay, Sister see here. Okay, no problem. We have two vectors. Question number 23. See here. What is question number 23? Okay, we have two vectors. इसमें देखो पहला जो तुम्हारा वेक्टर A है, this comes out to be 2I cap plus 3J cap minus K cap. This is our vector A. And we had another vector, that is your vector B. It's given as minus I cap plus 3J cap. Yes. Yeah. See here, question number 23 is directly connected to question number 22. Read question number 23 in above example. Which question is talking about? Is talking about question number 22. Okay, sister, I think that is the point of confusion. तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आया कि कौन सा एग्जाम्पल की बात कर रहा है, राइट? Okay, that's okay, no problem. Actually वो क्वेश्चन से यार भाई पहले सभी लोग ध्यान दें यार, क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 में किस एग्जाम्पल की बात कर रहा है? इज टॉकिंग अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. नहीं तो 99% लोग इसी में कंफ्यूज होंगे भाई, इसमें आंसर और डेटा तो दिया ही नहीं है. ओके सच्ची, आई होप दैट्स क्लियर. तो यहाँ पर देखना क्या था, वी हैव टू वेक्टर्स एंड व्हाट वी वांट टू डू, सी गाइस, बेसिकली वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट अ यूनिट वेक्टर, और जो भी यूनिट वेक्टर होगा वो इन दोनों से कितना एंगल होना चाहिए, 90 डिग्री. क्लियर गाइस? फर्स्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पार्ट. सी हियर, जो भी वेक्टर आना चाहिए वो A और B से 90 डिग्री पे आना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल कैलकुलेट A क्रॉस B. नाउ सी हियर, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जो भी वेक्टर तुम्हारा A क्रॉस B आएगा, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेक्टर A क्रॉस B will be at 90 degree to vector A as well as vector B. Why? Because the cross product का जो भी आउटकम होता है वो इंडिविजुअल वेक्टर से कितना एंगल पे होता है, 90 डिग्री पे. Which simply means if one vector is directed along x axis, another vector is directed along y axis. So what will be the direction of the cross product? Cross product will be directed along the z axis. Clear guys? I hope this point is clear to everyone. Okay, ठीक है? Yes. Okay, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ यार कि ध्यान से देखो, सपोज एज्यूम करो, ठीक है, if this is the direction of vector A and this is the direction or any direction of vector B, this is the direction of vector A and this is the direction of vector B, तो जो A क्रॉस B होगा वो इन दोनों से 90 डिग्री पे होगा. See here, this is A cross B. What is this direction guys? Everybody, all the students, just look at the book. This is A cross B. किसके along outside of the plane. And this is vector B. What is the angle between them? 90 degree. This is by A cross B and this is vector A. What is the angle between them? Once again 90 degree. So you can see that A cross B is perpendicular to vector B as well as vector A. Guys, A cross B is perpendicular to A as well as B. Okay, just let me know whether you are able to understand this or not. Is there anyone who still has any doubt? Okay, that's good, Aryan. Anyone else? यार तुम लोग फटाफट. Okay, very good, Anisha. I can see 54, 53. What is going on today? Weather is good यार. Weather तो अच्छा. फिर भी आधे स्टूडेंट. Yes. हाँ राइट राइट, रिजल्ट का स्ट्रेस आ रहा है। अबे फेल तो नहीं हो गए तुम लोग? ओके इट्स इन आफ्टरनून, ओके। हाँ मैं पता चला तुम लोगों ने जेईई की प्रिपरेशन शुरू की, रिजल्ट आया है भैया, ये तो हाई स्कूल ही क्लियर नहीं हुआ। So I hope the dropping of numbers is not associated with result. Okay. Okay, I hope it's clear to everyone. No doubt, no doubt. Okay, guys. So no doubt. So see here, what we will do. Let's proceed forward. What we will do? We will do the cross product. हमें a cross b देखो इन दोनों से 90 डिग्री पे कौन सा वेक्टर होगा? इन दोनों से 90 डिग्री पे जो वेक्टर होगा that will be a cross b. A cross B will be 90 degree to both A and B. तो यार इसके बाद क्या करना है? इसके बाद तो फिर तुम्हारा सिंपल ही है ना, एक टेबल बना लो, दिस इज I cap, दिस इज J cap and this one is K cap. Write down this I के नीचे 2, this is 3, this is -1. What will be this? -1, this one will be 3 and this one will be 4. बस अब तुम कॉम्पोनेंट निकाल लो I cap. क्या हो जाएगा? 4 into 3 that is 12 minus minus that is +3 minus I will write down J cap. 2 into 4 that is 8 minus of 1 that is -1 plus K cap I will write down 6 plus 3, this will be 6 plus 3. Guys just look at the board, 12 plus 3 that is equals to 15 I cap 7 minus 7 J cap, okay, plus 9 K cap. See here guys everybody, this will be the vector. What is A cross B? Now try to understand. A cross B comes out to be 15 I cap minus 7 J cap plus 9 J cap. What is this vector? This vector is perpendicular to vector A as well as vector B. Okay guys? It's declared. Okay, Harshal is telling the high school result has been declared. Yes, Shasti. No, Shasti, I am sure it is +3. Just check your. Just a minute, let me check this. Okay, what about rest of the students who got the same answer or different answer? Okay, yes. 63 here, what is going on? It is like this. देखो, I से इसको कैंसिल कर दिया तुमने, 4 into 3 that is 12. Then minus of -1 into 3. Okay. Sisti, I hope that is clear right now. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, see here guys. Anyone else? Anyone else? Harshal, are you sure CBSE result has been declared? यार ये लैपटॉप थोड़ा सा दूर रखा हुआ है, ठीक है, तो एकदम 100% वो समझ नहीं आता. Where is he? So it will be clear. Sir, result declared of 10th CBSE. No, Kedar is saying me like declared. Declared means it's already declared. Harshal, it's declared. Okay, Harshal is telling me it's there. He's not asking, he is telling us. So okay, just let me check. So it doesn't matter. No, just hang on for a few seconds. After that, you check your results. Okay, it has been declared. Class 10 result 2020 results will be available on for semester as well. Okay, I think it's declared. Okay, guys, whatever was it, ठीक है, ध्यान दें. Sir, अरे where are you going, Sisti? Just okay, it's not declared. ठीक है, अभी बहुत टाइम है. It's not declared. Okay, I guess no, it's I have the updates. It's not declared. They are saying they will declare it after 12. Okay, guys. So let's do one thing. I hope up to here it's clear. And I. Yes, on. In afternoon. Okay. CBSE is not declared. Right. Okay, right. So I think Srishti, you should wait. will be declared today. It's not declared. Yes, right. Why you guys are saying CBSE last time's result? Okay, आफ्टरनून में डिक्लेयर होगा भाई, अभी जल्दबाजी मत बचाओ. यस आर्यन अंश. Yes, yes. CBSE. Yes, yes. I think it's not declared. Okay. Okay, okay. CBSE results not NIC domain. यार यही काम तुम लोग करो यार, जब पढ़ाई कर लेते 5 मिनट और. CBSE results dot NIC. Although vector is already over, so that's not a big deal. Yes, Utkarsh, we will move on. Just hang on for a second. Okay. तो यार यहाँ देखो फिर क्या करोगे तुम लोग. Okay sir. हर्षल just hang on for a second. इसको फिनिशिंग करने वाले हैं हम लोग. इसके साथ ही इसको हम फिनिश कर देंगे. See here, what is the value? We have the cross product as 15I cap minus 7J cap plus 9K cap. अब देखो अगर इसका यूनिट वेक्टर निकालना है हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसके मैग्नीट्यूड से डिवाइड कर दो. मैग्नीट्यूड will be 15 square plus minus 7 square plus 9 square, and this will be your final answer. Just let me know how many of you got the final answer. Okay, Samiksha, that's not a big deal. But right now it will be declared soon. Okay, so result has not been declared till now. Result has not been declared till now, so don't get anxious. Okay, guys. First of all, okay, then the option would be none of these. Okay. Then. Okay, I think you are not having any similar answer. इसको चेक किया गया 15 square 2 to 5 plus 49. I think 355. Okay, 2I cap plus 3J cap minus 3 cap and minus I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap. Just check the calculation. Let's check the calculation. I think everything is right. There is no need to panic. Minus 1. Okay. Okay, see here guys, if A and B are not the right option, then D part or none of these will be the right option. Here guys. Okay, yes, Soumya is telling me it's 355, obviously. Yeah, 355. इसमें 3 का तो रूट निकलेगा भी नहीं. 5 into 57. Yes, right. Projector, I think you have given us the right option. 15I cap minus 7J cap minus 9K cap divided by under root 355. Okay guys, so whatever answer projector is telling us, that is the right option. Clear? So in this case our final answer would be D part. In this case our final answer would be D part. Okay, everybody, so before ending up this particular section, remember your scalars and vector section is over. If you have any doubt, you can forward me through Milind sir. Okay guys, and second point is भाई आप रिजल्ट है तुम लोग का CBSE का, I can understand it. So आज इससे ज़्यादा हम लोग नहीं कंटिन्यू करेंगे. We are just about to end the session. So just let me know if anyone has any doubt. Accept results. Okay. Okay then, it's all done today, guys. From next class we will start with kinematics. Okay, so just be ready. Kinematics is your first topic of physics officially. Okay, bye bye, take care and best of luck. Yes, Ansh. Okay, तो जिन्होंने लेक्चर नहीं अटेंड किया है दे मस्ट नॉट बी वरीड, क्योंकि जो भी चीजें वहां पर बताई गई थी उससे ज्यादा डिटेल में सारी चीजें यहाँ क्लास में डिस्कस होंगी. सो ओके बाय बाय, टेक केयर एवरीबॉडी. सिद्धि, यस, ऑल द बेस्ट टू एवरीवन. ओके, मोस्ट वेलकम.